ॐ नत्ते गिरो अपि मृषये तुरस्य न सुष्ठुतिम् सूर्यस्य विद्वान् सदा ते नामस्व यशो विभक्तमी. Namaste to all. This is a very, very beautiful Samveda mantra. Very, very important Samveda mantra for our life. Samaveda is Upasana Kanda. Samaveda contains deepest secrets and deepest formulas for us to progress in our spiritual path. And here in this mantra, Paramatma says, Sada te namasva yasho vivakami. A true upasak must always chant the name of Paramatma. Nama means name jap. जाप करना है, नेम जाप करना है. जाप का मतलब इस मंत्र में विवक्मी. विवक्मी मीन्स जपता रहता हूँ सदा हे परमात्मा. ए ट्रू साधक must continuously chant the name of Paramatma. Continuously in the sense morning, evening, and whenever he or she gets free time, we must chant the name of Paramatma. And if you read a Yoga Sutra, Patanjali Maharishi says, Tad japas tadartha bhavanam. And this is a direct Veda mantra for that sutra. How Patanjali Muni got that knowledge? Through the Vedas. Here Paramatma says, Sada te namasva yasho vivakami. उसका नाम स्वयशो नाम. स्वयशो मीन्स अपने आप कीर्ति वाला, महान कीर्ति वाला नाम. परमात्मा's name itself is ऐश्वर्य. मैं आचार्य used to sing on कबीरदास भजन, जो सुख पाऊं नाम जपन में, सो सुख नाही अमीरी में, मन लागो मेरो यार फकीरी में, जो सुख पाऊं नाम जपन में. So for a acharya, for a yogi, the highest sukh is attained when they chant the name of Paramatma. जो सुख पाऊं नाम जपन में, सो सुख नाही अमीरी में. Money cannot give you the happiness what is given by Paramatma. No money, no wealth, no relatives, no friendships can give that happiness which is there in the name of Paramatma. And that name of Paramatma is Swayasho. अपने आप महान कीर्ति वाला नाम है. In fact, if you see, remember another Yajurveda mantra 32/3 which says Yasya नाम, वहाँ पर भी नाम है, यस्य नाम ते महद्यशः. वो भी महत यश है, यश वाला नाम है, महान कीर्ति वाला नाम है. And Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati says that the person who follows the Vedas in his life, he is continuously doing name jap. Maharishi writes in the Bhavartha Bhashya, I don't have Yajurveda here, but he writes that that person is actually doing name jap of Paramatma, who is following the instructions of Paramatma in his life. So here the mantra says, Hey Paramatma, we are praying to Paramatma, आपके नाम को मैं जपता रहता हूँ, ऐसा कृपा कीजिए मुझ में. And also see two important lessons in this mantra. न ते गिरो अपि मृषये. न ते गिरो. Giro means see. Giro means Vedvani. Girah, we say in Girah, one of the meanings in the Vedas for Girah means Vedvani. हे परमात्मा, तुरस्य दोषों के हिंसक, दोषों को खत्म करने वाला है परमात्मा. तुरस्य ते गिरह. Paramatma destroys the dosha by Vedvani. When we chant Ved mantra, when we follow Ved mantra in our life, the Ved mantra and Paramatma are same. They will destroy. Turasya means दोषों के हिंसक. दोष को हिंसा करके निकल जाएगा दोष हमारे अंदर से. सो तुरस्यते गिरह, आपके जो वेदवाणी है, न अपि मृषये, उसको नहीं छोड़ सकता. न अपि मृषये मीन्स आई कैनॉट लीव इट. योर वेद, हे परमात्मा, आई एम प्रेइंग टू यू दैट आई शुड नॉट लीव वेद मंत्रा एंड आई कैनॉट लीव द वेद मंत्रास. आई कैनॉट लीव योर वेदवाणी. So Paramatma says indirectly also, Proksh Priyahi Devah. Please understand, Paramatma's language is Proksh Priya. One is Paroksh, other one is Pratyaksh. Pratyaksh means सीधा बात करना. Paroksh means indirectly बोलना. So most of the Veda mantras are in Paroksh Gyan. Some of the Veda mantras in Pratyaksh also, but Here Paramatma says, pray to me like this, that hey Paramatma, मैं आपके वेद वाणी को छोड़ नहीं सकता, मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Or see, this is the first sankalp we must take every day in the morning, that let me not, behave with the sanshaya bhavana and then leave the Vedas. Many people will get sanshaya over a period of time. They are in the Vedic path. They'll say that, so I have been in the Vedic path for quite some time, no benefit. So I don't think Vedas are the right path. They will leave Vedas. Sanshaya atma vinashyati. You are not getting benefit because you have done so much of bad karmas in your previous lives. You do not know about the karma philosophy and you are blaming Vedas and Paramatma. You cannot blame Vedas and Paramatma. Paramatma says, na api mrishaye, nahi chodta, उसके उपेक्षा नहीं करता, कभी भी उपेक्षा मत करो वेदवाणी की. दिस इज परमात्मा आज्ञा. एंड फर्दर, असुर्यस्य विद्वान, परमात्मा इज असुर्यस्य, महान बलवान, महान. Asuhu means in Sanskrit, Asuhu means Vayu, Prana. You see the power of the Vayu. Similarly, Paramatma is also Asuryasya. And Jivatma also is called as Asur. In the Vedas, Jivatma is called as Asur because we are Pranadari, right? So we are called as Asur. And Paramatma is Asuryasya Vidwan. He is, Vidwan means he knows everybody. Yesterday I made a video with my daughter. There also the word came. Vidwanon ka Vidwan. Vidwan means knower of the Vedas. He knows everything. And he is Asuryasya. Mahan Balwala, हे परमात्मा, सुष्टुतिम न सदा, सुष्टुतिम न, सुष्टुतिम मीन्स स्तुति, आपके स्तुति को न मीन्स नहीं छोड़ सकता. सुष्टुतिम, आपकी उत्कृष्ट स्तुति को भी नहीं छोड़ता. न सुष्टुतिम मीन्स I cannot leave your stuti and I cannot leave your Vedas. Thereby I have accepted you. I have accepted you through the Vedas. Thereby te swayasya nama sada vivakami. Thereby I am chanting your name. And what is that name? That name has to be in the Vedas. You cannot chant Rama Rama, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe, etc. These are all not the names of Paramatma in Vedas. Whatever is the name given by Paramatma, that these are my names. And that name is normally given as a Diksha by Acharya. But even if you do not have an Acharya, my Acharya always says, until such time you get Diksha from Acharya, the best name of Paramatma is Om Kritosmar. Paramatma says in Yajurveda, my name is Om. Mera nij naam Om hai. Atyant pran se bhi priya naam hai. Paramatma uses these words. That name of Paramatma is so priya to me, and that name is Om. So that name is Swayashaha. We must chant that name. That's why, Maharishi Patanjali writes in the sutra that Tasya Vachaka Pranavaha. Pranavaha means pra nu stutau, pra uttam. जिस नाम से उत्तम स्तुति होता है परमात्मा का, that name is called as Pranavaha. And which is that name? That is Om. Om is the highest stuti of Paramatma. And we are praying in this mantra that मैं आपके स्तुति को नहीं छोड़ूंगा, मैं आपके वेदवाणी को नहीं छोड़ सकता. So when you pray to Paramatma and take sankalp that, hey Paramatma, I will not leave Vedas come what may, I will not leave your stuti come what may, and I will not leave your name jap come what may. If we have this sankalp in our life, and when we follow this sankalp in our life, then Paramatma, the result is awarded by Paramatma. The mantra says, let me read the mantra 1 minute. The mantra's bhavarth says, Parameshwara nama smaranena tad upasanena cha sarve doshaha kshiyante. Why? Sarve doshaha kshiyante. When we do Paramesha nama smaran, when we do the name jap of Paramatma, and tad upasanena, when we do upasana of that Paramatma, sarve doshaha kshiyante. Why dosha kshiyante? The word uses turasya. सारे दोषों को खत्म करने वाला. So Paramatma will destroy our doshas in our life. Dosha means all our dukh, dosh, काम क्रोध इत्यादि, जलना, सड़ना, राग, द्वेष, everything is our dosha. सद्गुण देता है. सद्गुण देकर सद्गुणास्तेजांसी बलानी यशांसी च समागच्छन्ति. He gives Sadgun inside us. He will destroy our dosh and he will give Sadgun. And he will give Tej. He will give Maha Tej inside us. And also he will give Maha Bal, because he is The word used in this mantra for Bal is what? Asuryasya Vidwan. So he will, when you chant the name of, when you do stuti of that Paramatma, the same gun will come inside you. Paramatma is Maha Balasali, he will make you Balashali. Paramatma is Mahavidwan, he will make you Mahavidwan, Mahatejasvi. And Paramatma is Mahayashasvi, we are chanting his name, and Paramatma will give Mahayash to us. So Mahayash ko prapt kara deta hai. So this is the reason for real name jap. See, I made a video 1 week back that 8 sutras, 8 formulas which we must try to adopt in our life. And one of the formula is like Heyam Dukkam Anagatam. So every day we must remember, am I doing Heyam Dukkam Anagatam or not? Similarly, remember this formula also. This formula is most important formula. Te Swayasha Nama Vivakami. If you are a person who are chanting every day Rama Rama Krishna Krishna and Radhe Radhe etc., please understand these are not names of Paramatma. We must chant the Swayasha Nama of Paramatma. We must chant the same name which was chanted by Sri Krishna. We must chant the same name which was chanted by Sri Rama. Sri Rama never chanted Krishna Krishna. Sri Krishna never chanted Rama Rama. And Sri Radhaji never chanted Krishna Krishna or Rama Rama. Please understand this. They all chanted the name from the Vedas. We must also chant the same Swayasha Nama Vivakami. This is the sutra of our life. Te Nama Vivakami. Te Nama Swayasho Vivakami. Remember, Te Nama Swayasho Vivakami Sada. So the sentence will be Sada Te Nama Swayasho Vivakami. Sada Te Nama Swayasho Vivakami. Hamesha. Sada means Hamesha. Subesham, 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 without a breakage, every day. And whenever we have time, we must chant the name of Paramatma and remember Paramatma. And also we must do like Tadartha Bhavanam. Arth ki bhavana karna chahiye. When you chant, like say, when you chant the name of Paramatma, Paramatma is Nyayakari. And remembering that I am chanting the name of Paramatma and that Paramatma is Nyayakari, that Paramatma is Sarva Rakshak, and I am recognizing, I am realizing his presence across me, here, inside, outside, top, bottom, everywhere he is here. Hey Paramatma, I am completely recognizing you, trying to recognize you, trying to realize you. Aisa karna arth ki bhavana. Recognizing the presence of Paramatma and dedicating our focus to Paramatma is called as arth ki bhavana. So when we do arth ki bhavana, then our dosh will get destroyed by Paramatma and he will award us sadgun in our life. He will award a mahan yash. He will award mahan kirti. Jo sukh pao naam japan mein, so sukh nahi amiri mein. He will make you amir also, but you will find more sukh in Paramatma than in money. You will find more sukh in Paramatma than in friendship with others, than in Netflix, than in TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or anything else other than anything, these things, you will find more sukh in Paramatma. So this is the secret of this mantra, extremely important Ved mantra, Samaveda 1799. Nate giro api mrishaye, nate giro api mrishaye. Hey Paramatma, aapke Vedvani jo hai, and girah means, see remember girah means Vedvani, but what Vedvani? Kartavyon ko upadesh karne wala Vedvani. What we have to do, what we cannot do, and what we should not do. All this kartavya. And you are a brahmachari, you are a grahasti, you are a vanaprasthi, you are a sannyasi, you are a teacher, you are a student, everyone, and you are a leader, you are a politician, you are a businessman, Vaishya, Shudra, Brahmana. Everybody's kartavya is given as a upadesh by Paramatma in the Vedas, and that's why Giraha means kartavyon ke upadesh karne wali Vedvani. So na te giro api mrishaye. मैं नहीं, आपके वेदवाणी को मैं नहीं छोड़ सकता, ऐसा संकल्प करना चाहिए. ऐसा संकल्प करके, and when you don't leave the Vedvani, and when you have complete faith on Vedas and Paramatma, and when you do name jap, all the result of the Ved mantra will come in your life. It might take time, and it will take time, because we are all sinners. We have not gone to Gurukul from the age of 6 years. We have not recognized an Acharya from the childhood and served him. So we are all sinners. So it will take time to get the results of the Vedic Upasana. But 100% Paramatma says in Yajurveda, none of your karma goes wasted. Everything will be rewarded, awarded, punishment will happen when the time comes. So, without wasting, we must steadily progress in this path. This is the most important message. Remember this formula. This is one of the formula which we must remember. Sada te namasva yasho vivakmi. सबको नमस्ते. ओम ओम ओम.